Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to make a positive impact while getting rid of an old car, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of donating a car in California. Whether you're looking to support a charitable cause or simply looking for a hassle-free way to let go of your vehicle, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a reputable charity. The first step in donating a car in California is to select a reputable charity. Make sure the organization is a registered 501(c)(3) nonprofit to ensure your donation is tax deductible. Do some research to find a cause that resonates with you. Step 2. Check eligibility before you proceed. Ensure that your vehicle is eligible for donation. Most charities accept cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and even boats. The vehicle should be in a condition that allows for towing or transportation. Step 3. Gather vehicle information now. Gather all the necessary information about your vehicle. This includes the make, model, year, VIN vehicle identification number, current mileage, and any relevant documentation like the title and registration. Step 4. Contact the charity. Reach out to the charity of your choice. Many charities have dedicated phone lines or online forms for car donations. Provide them with the vehicle information and answer any questions they might have. Step 5. Schedule the pickup. Once you've connected with the charity, they will arrange a convenient time for vehicle pickup. They usually tow the vehicle for free. Make sure to have all necessary paperwork ready for the pickup. Step 6. Transfer the title. When the towing team arrives, sign the title of the vehicle over to the charity. Make sure to follow California's guidelines for transferring ownership. This is a critical step to complete the donation process. Step 7. Receive a tax deduction receipt. After the charity sells the vehicle, you'll receive a tax-deductible receipt indicating the sale price of the vehicle. This receipt will come in handy during tax season, as you can claim a deduction based on the sale amount. Step 8. Claiming the tax deduction. When you file your taxes, include the tax deduction using the receipt you received from the charity. Be sure to consult a tax professional or use tax software to ensure you claim the deduction correctly. Step 9. Feel good about your contribution. Finally, take a moment to feel proud of your contribution. Your donated vehicle will make a difference in the lives of those supported by the charity you chose. Plus, you've also done your part for the environment by responsibly recycling your old car. Research the charity thoroughly. Before finalizing your choice, research the charity thoroughly. Look into their reputation, financial transparency, and how they use the proceeds from car donations. Websites like Charity Navigator or GuideStar can provide valuable insights. Ensure proper documentation. Double-check that you have all the necessary documentation ready before the towing team arrives. This includes the title, keys, and any other relevant paperwork. Having everything in order will make the process smoother. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to donate a car in California. It's a win-win situation. You're supporting a charitable cause while simplifying the process of saying goodbye to your old vehicle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to tailor the script to your own style and brand identity. You can also add personal anecdotes, additional tips, or specific recommendations for charities that you support or recommend. Good luck with your YouTube video,